welcome back to Oil and Gas Insights. If you are new to channel, do not forget to hit subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our in-depth HAZOP tutorials. In our last video, we explored parameters, what they are, how to define them, and why they are crucial to HAZOP studies. If you missed it, make sure to check it out after this one. Today we are diving into another fundamental concept of HAZOP analysis, that is the guide words. By the end of this video, you will understand what guide words are, how they are used, and how they will help to uncover potential deviation and hazard in your process and operation. Stick around for a practical example where we will use guide words to analyze a pump system. Let's get started. What are the guide words? So, what exactly are the guide words? Guide words are the simple terms that HAZOP teams use to systematically identify deviation in a process. They act as a sign to help us think about what could go wrong. Common example includes no indicating something is missing, like no flow or no level or no pressure. More suggesting an increase, such as more temperature, more flow, more speed. Less is referring to a decrease, like less flow, less pressure, or low level. Reverse indicating a reverse in direction or a reverse in function, such as reverse flow. Reverse is mostly used for flow. These words are applied to parameters like temperature, pressure, or flow to identify potential deviation from normal operation. Why are guide words important? Guide words are crucial because they ensure no stone is left to unturned when analyzing hazard. They provide structure to the brainstorming process, helping teams identify hazards they might otherwise overlook. For example, applying more to temperature could highlight risk of overheating, while less applied to flow might suggest risk of starvation in the pump. How to use these guide words in HAZOP study? Let's break it down into steps. Select a node. First of all, we will select a node. Choose the section of your system you want to analyze, such as heat exchanger or a pump or a stripper or an absorber. Identify parameters. Pinpoint the parameters like flow, pressure, or temperature. Apply guide words, systematically applying guide words to each parameter. For example, what happens if there is no flow? What if there is more pressure? What if the flow goes in reverse? Evaluate consequences. Consider what impact these deviations could have on safety, quality, or operation. Propose safeguard or controls. Identify controls or action to prevent or mitigate these hazards. Common mistakes when using guide words. Now let's talk about some common mistakes. Skipping the guide words. HAZOP teams sometimes skip over guide words, especially when they think certain words are irrelevant. They can lead to missed hazard. Overusing guide word is another common mistake. On the other hand, applying every guide word to every parameter can slow down the process unnecessarily. Focus on what is relevant. Ignoring dynamic scenario, it is another mistake. Guide words should be applied not just during normal operation but also during startup, shutdown, and in emergency scenarios or abnormal scenarios. Practical example which we have promised at the start of the session, that the practical example is pump system analysis. Let's put this into practice. Imagine we are analyzing a pump system. Parameters are number one parameter we are applying is flow. Apply no flow. What if pump stops working? This could lead to downstream equipment damage or process upset or operation interruption. Apply more flow. Could this overload downstream system or the equipment, or again the process will upset? Apply reverse flow. What if the fluid flows backward due to valve failure? This might contaminate the source or the operation will suffer. By systematically applying guide words, we have identified several potential hazards, each of which can be addressed through safeguards like alarm, interlocking, or maintenance checks. To recap, guide words are a powerful tool in HAZOP studies. They help identify deviations by systematically applying, for example, like no, more, or reverse to parameters. By using guide words effectively, you can uncover hidden risks and make your process safer. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Oil and Gas Insights. Drop a comment below if you have any question or want to share your experience using guide words in HAZOP study. I love to hear from you. In our next video, we will take a closer look at deviation analysis, where we connect the dots between guide words and real world.